Today I'm going to show you how to scale objects in SketchUp with the tape measure tool. So we're going to take the tape measuring tool. First we're going to measure this. Right now it's 35 and we need 32 feet. So we're going to select the tape measure tool, then measure it first. Click here and click there. And then we should put 32 feet, and we say yes to resize this model, and boom, it's done. So we're going to measure it again and see what happens. And yes, almost 32 feet, and it is. So it's done, and bye bye.